Hello everybody and welcome to my new episode on how to put text-to-speech into CapCut videos. How to edit CapCut videos with a text-to-speech into it. The first thing you're gonna need to do is open the CapCut app, as I'm doing it on the screen right now. After you open the CapCut app, just go at the add text. As you can see, just follow what I'm doing in the screen. Add text. Just type anything you like to be text-to-speech it. And you can see it says text-to-speech. Press that. And after you press that, you're going to get all the voices like Joe, Jesse. As you can see on my screen, all the voices you need. So that's it on how to get text-to-speech into CapCut video editing. There are too many options for you to choose, so many voice extras, so